home inspection is a vital part of the home transaction process. The information can empower home buyers to acquire their next house with confidence and peace of mind. Buying a home is one of the most expensive purchases one will ever make. Questions and concerns are understandable, including who needs to be present on the day of the home inspection. Who should attend the home inspection? During the home inspection, who should also be present? The buyer. While it is not required for the buyer to be present at the home inspection, it is highly recommended they be there. This way, they can ask questions as they learn more about the property's condition. They can learn more about the home and get an education of how the home systems work and what can be done to maintain them. Home inspectors don't just inspect, they educate as well. Buyer's agent. The buyer's agent should be present at the home inspection, especially when the buyer cannot be there. The real estate agent can serve as their representative. A lot of home buyers also want their agents to be present so they can go over the details of the inspection report together during and after the inspection. Can a seller attend the home inspection? The property seller is not usually at the home inspection. Because of their emotional attachment to the home and the need to observe the property with an objective eye to sell the house, they can unintentionally interfere with the inspection. It is recommended that the sellers not be present during the inspection. Is the buyer allowed to bring friends or family members to the inspection? While the buyer may wish to bring trusted family or friends, the more the merrier doesn't work well during an inspection. Since the home inspector has a short amount of time to perform the inspection and explain the findings, and this is being done in someone else's home, it is recommended that the prospective buyer keep their party to a minimum. Inspections during COVID-19. It is highly recommended that only the necessary parties be present during the home inspection in light of the current health situation. The only people who should attend an inspection with the home inspector are those who need to make decisions, such as the buyer and their realtor. But the home inspection report will be given to the buyer, and they are welcome to share it with family and friends.